Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon to receive updates. Today we have a video on Noise ColorFit Qube Plus SPO2 edition smartwatch. I got this as a free gift when I purchased Samsung A53 smartphone. The packing looks attractive. The price on the pack is 4,999 rupees but sold for less than 3,000. Inside the pack we get a user manual. Some more paperworks are there. This is the watch itself. It's a 1.4 inch full touch color display with 240 by 240 pixels. A micro USB charging cable is also provided. Do a long press on the button to start the watch. Scan the QR code to download the Noise Fit app. The watch and the smartphone are connected via Bluetooth, which must be turned on. The smartphone should have the mobile data or Wi-Fi turned on to transfer data. To pair the watch, go to Add Device page in the app, select the device type and link the watch. Through the app, we can adjust the watch face, notification, call alert, health monitor, alarms, weather setting, camera shutter and many more. Various options available are steps, sleep, heart rate, sports, messages, weather, blood oxygen, music, stopwatch, alarm, timer, app, breathing and camera. Sports mode include running, walking, cycling, hiking, climbing, treadmill and yoga. To charge, connect the USB cable to a power adapter or a power bank. Place the magnetic charger on the magnetic charging points of the watch. Once fully charged, it might last for up to 7 days. The charging status is shown on the screen. This is the first time I am using a smartwatch and really happy to use this. I will leave link in description to purchase this watch in case you are interested to buy. Hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, share and comment. We'll meet soon with another interesting video. Till then, goodbye.